Oh, it's nice having you guys back. Welcome to my video of using Canva for your design. This is just an entry level guide. Now, if you are looking for the best place to actually design your apps, not your apps, sorry, to design um, your flyers, your posters, whatever, well, I think Canva.com is going to help you. Just take a look at this. So, first things first, log on to Canva.com first. And then you choose the right dimension for your design. To begin, choose the design type from Canva homepage, whether it's a social media post, a flyer, or more. Well, you can actually get the dimension on Canva. You can also customize. Well, for me, I use 500 by 500 for my social media posts, and it actually looks great. It fits. It's not too big. It doesn't shrink up. It's not blur. It's just okay. So after that, what is the next thing you do? You choose the background. Hmm, wow, choosing the background. Well, the background for your design could be a color or an image, definitely. Now, this is a tip I actually have for you. Along the way, while I was learning how to design, well, I really found out this. So, different colors tell different stories. Purple is associated with individuality, orange, activity, green, nature, you know. So, most people actually think about pink and you're like, a girl. Or you think about blue and you're like, oh, the sky, you know. You think silver and you're thinking about wow the full moon, something like that. So your color actually has to reflect your design. So to use a photo as a background, you first of all add a grid. You can actually search your image on Canva or you upload it from your system library. It can be your system library, your phone library, but the best thing about Canva is even if you don't have a photo to use, Canva provides you with free photo. Now, a background image supports the message of the content. If there's too much going on in the background, it's hard to overlay things like text or illustration. So, the best thing for you to do is put an image that actually tells what that design is about. Uh, this is something like this. Now, see how this looks. Bloom where you planted. Now you think this and you think about well, I see this and I think about a perfume. Yeah, a nice perfume that smells like rose. Oh my god. So basically the person that will be able to use this sort of um poster or this sort of design is someone that has to be in a related industry that suits this. So someone in a law firm can actually use this to say, okay, yeah, this is okay or Allison's corporation, and you're using this. It's just out of place. So this is something else. Now you look at this image and you think, wow, burger and fries. Well, I'm looking at this and I actually want to eat burger and fries, but that's not what we're talking about. So now you know that this is actually telling you about food, not just any kind of food, but burger and fries. Now there are actually other things that is in that space of burger and fries. So I'm guessing if I would say this person is trying to advertise his business. Maybe he's actually into burger and fries, shawarmas, barbecues, chops, just something like this. Now, if you're the type that VDVD, like you look at the image before the text, you look at it and you already have a basic idea of what that text is supposed to be, you know. So that is how your design should be. So your elements. Hmm. Your design might include text, icons, photos, or illustrations. This needs to be combined in a way that it's visually appealing. Now, you don't need to crowd your design. No, that just makes it